Okay, I've received a couple of questions about the graphing interface on Webassign. So I just wanted to work through one of these problems so everyone could see the process, because you're going to have to graph in later sections as well, a little bit here and there. Okay, so in this case, sketch the lines through the point with the indicated slopes. And make sure the sketches on the make the sketches on the same set of coordinate axes. Okay, so we should have 4 lines when we're done. And to define a line, we need 2 points. So if we choose the line tool over here, not the ray, not the segment, but you want the infinite line, and we need to plot 2 points. So our first point is the point 1, 1. So I'll come over here to 1, 1 on the axis or on the coordinate plane and put a point right there. And we need a second point. And for part A, the slope is 2. And if we write that as a fraction, that's 2 over 1. So a vertical change of 2 and a horizontal change of 1. The slope is 2 over 1. So up 2 over 1. Okay, so there's our second point. And you'll see the line is blue. And if we click this, it'll insert the line onto the coordinate plane. Okay, so right now it's saying line 6. I had some graphs up before and deleted them, but it should probably start with line 1 if you're doing this problem for the first time. Either way, it doesn't matter. If you click on that, it tells you the first point is 1, 1, the second point is 2, 3. Okay, the next slope is -3, so, or -3 over 1. So let's put in another line. We'll start with the same first point, 1, 1. And the slope is -3, so down 3 over 1. Okay, so our second point should go right about there. And we'll insert a line there, and now for for me it's line 7, but we have the point 1, 1 and the point 2, -2. Okay, so first line had a positive slope going up, second line had a negative slope going down. All right, third slope, -5 over 2. So starting with this point, 1, 1, we'll go down 5 and over 2. So there's our first point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 5 over 2. Okay. There's our second point on our third line. Points 1, 1 and the point 3, -4. Now our fourth line is an undefined slope. And remember, slope is we can think about the value of a slope as being a fraction. And a fraction is undefined when the bottom, the denominator, is equal to 0. And so the denominator in the slope is the horizontal change, or the change in the x direction. So for a slope to be undefined, it has to have a 0 on the bottom. Okay, so that means it's going to be a vertical line. So our first point is 1, 1, and our second point could be anywhere along a vertical line. Doesn't matter. Let's put it up here, and there's our vertical line having undefined slope. Okay, and now we could just double check our points if we need to for any reason over here. If you want, you can make, one line dash and another line, solid. If you have, I think that's the only option is dash or solid. But okay, so that is graphing on Webassign, or at least graphing straight lines on Webassign.